Alrighty, so scalpers scalped everything at the Walmart, but we were lucky to find these hidden gems. Nobody took them, so we got some Silver Tempest and Astral Radiance packs to open right here. A little special treat for you guys. So, hopefully we can get some good luck. Alrighty, so she's starting off with Silver Tempest.
Okay.
Looking for that.
Oh my god,
Lugia.
it peeled so easy.
Yeah. Alright. Alrighty. Got some energy.
Alteria, Brandon. Lantern. Forsea. Smeargle. Esper. Dratini. Chinchou.
Oh!
Huh.
Wow, right off the fucking bat.
Malamar?
A cool little full art Malamar with his trainer.
That's cool.
And a Medicham. Wow! Good shit, babe.
Cool.
Awesome first pull.
Diggy.
Alrighty, on to the next one. Beating me.
Okay.
Moving on to my first pack. Super effective glasses. Cricketune. Unidentified fossil. Psychwindale. Ponyard. Growlithe. Voltorb. Rufflet. Oh, a nice little Avalugg. Oh!
Ooh.
A nice little full art Hisuian Decidueye.
Okay.
All right, back-to-back bangers.
Very cool.
Oh, wow, look at this art.
Very cool. That's pretty good.
2 back-to-back bangers already.
Oh,
You
wow.
love to see it. And looks like the scalpers didn't want to scalp this, but they missed out. They missed out on some beautiful Pokemon cards. Alrighty.
Venomoth. Oh, everybody loves her. Gym Trainer. Fungus. Sandy Gas. What the hell? I don't know what that is.
Relicanth.
Hachlacha.
Luca, I think.
Togdemar.
I'm not even going to try pronouncing that.
Medic Charm.
Medicham
Medicham. And,
and a Zygarde.
yeah, that's not. Alright.
Alright.
He wants to take my deck.
I want to try to get Luigia. My bad, I butchered the name. Lugia.
Luigi.
Slurpuff, Aroma, Snorlax, Fletchling, Ferroseed, Smeargle, Esper. Alright. Fossil. You love fossils, right?
Yes.
Oh, and a nice, beautiful little Arcanine.
Arcanine.
She really is wanting that Silver Tempest. Not leaving none for me.
What? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alrighty.
1, 2.
Generative Energy, Quartz
3.
Stone.
Oh.
Lopunny.
Fungus. Oh, Sandy, yes. Relicanth. Hawklet.
Dewpider. Oh.
What?
Oh, a nice little Regieleki. Regieleki V. Pretty cool art.
Sick.
That's sick right there. Very nice. Alright, it's up to me. Alright, we got some Metal Energy. Trekking Shoes. Oh, shoot. Golduck. Grant. Mischievous. Barboach. Scyther. Oh, nice little cool little Eevee. Heracross. Oh, a
Ooh.
Radiant.
Look at that.
It's like a shiny.
Look at
It's
that.
like their version of shinies. Radiant. Halucha.
That looks cool, though.
Very nice. And
Arcanine.
Hisuian Arcanine. We have his alt art. Very nice. Our first Radiant.
Actually,
Look, she's finally gonna open Astral Radiance.
no, I want this one. I don't want that weird chicken thing cover. I don't want that chicken.
You don't want. That's the Decidueye. That's the art I pulled earlier.
Yeah, I don't want that chicken.
Decidueye disrespect.
Okay. Choi, Quilava, Heavy Ball, Growlithe, Ronzer, Rufflet, Quellfish, Rowlet,
Cleaver.
And that's it.
And a Rapidash. Okay. This is what I want, guys. Come on. I want Lugia. Come on. Alright. Metal Energy, Gym Trainer, Meowstic, Golbat, Spilda, Pikachu, Noibat. I can't pronounce it. Sandile, Archen, and Hisuian Bravery. Alrighty, on to the next pack. Alrighty.
Yummy grass. Clover Village. Nectar. Petal. I don't know. Hippopotamus. Cedar Quill. I don't know. Grant. And no.
Thievel. Interesting. More Astral Radiance. Fire Energy. Electrode. Pickaxe. Dewott. Mantine. Voltorb. Basculin. Glameow. Oh!
What is that? That's oh no, that's art.
Shadow Rider. Calyrex VMAX. It's a secret art.
It's black and gold.
Yo! That's dope. And a Regice. Holy shit, guys. We got a nice little secret art. Alt art.
Comment your thoughts.
That's 3 beautiful little hits that we got. And I didn't expect to pull a secret art.
Yes. Chick.
Wow. You hear that, guys?
Lucky ass chick. Alright.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Yanmega. I love Yanmega and TCG Pocket.
Safer. Hold.
Meow. Swinub. Electrode.
Boom,
Ooh,
baby.
A nice little
Headshot.
Cleaver V. Woo! A nice little banger. Very nice. But the question is, can we get a banger on this? Grass Energy. Candice. Galal. Meowstic. Stunfisk. Can't pronounce. Esper. Smeargle. Litten. Clink.
Okay.
And Armaldo. Not bad. Alright, last Silver Tempest. Alrighty. Energy. Sunflora. Worker. Venonat. Routes. Splenda. Pikachu. Noibat. Behem. And Amogus. Last pack magic. Alrighty. Energy. Usering. Cranidos. Piloswine. Ponyta. Crickthawk. Psyduck. Petlil. Stantler. Scyther. Ooh. A nice little Beedrill.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Please give us a follow if you like our videos. We'll see you tomorrow.